Thank you for your interest in the Clicgear collection of pushcart accessories. All accessories have been designed and developed to make your round of golf more enjoyable and productive. Get the most out of your Clicgear cart. Introducing the Clicgear steering knob. Designed to make steering your cart a breeze, the Clicgear steering knob works on all models of Clicgear carts as well as some mountain carts. The steering knob attaches to the cart using the umbrella holder mount. The ergonomic shape allows the steering knob to work for both left and right-handed golfers. By simply lifting the front wheel and rotating the steering knob, you can rotate the back wheels to easily steer your cart. Golf is hard enough. Give yourself a break and get the Clicgear steering knob today. To view the entire Clicgear accessory line or to place orders, visit www.clicgearusa.com. Clicgear, always pushing perfection.